Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create intro to your YouTube video. So friends, if you want to download the app called KineMaster, you can go to Play Store, click the search bar and type the name of that app which I said KineMaster. Download it, it will download friends. So now I am going to explain you carefully and you listen carefully friends. You can create an intro to this any YouTube video. So I'm going to start. So let's go to media. Now I'm selecting my favorite background color. It could be any color. A little bit. Now let's go to layer, text. I'm going to type amazing creator. So once I do like that, I'm going to extend the size of it. Now I'm going to glow this text. I'm going to enable it. Now I'm going to change the color of that enablement. So it got changed. Now I'm going to click tick. Now let me go to in animation. Now I'll put pop. That happens good. Like this friends. You can animate it neatly. Your intro. Now let's go to media again. Now let's add our favorite background. Now I'm going to extend it a little bit. Now from here I'm going to go to layer, overlay, classic stickers. Now I'm going to add a circle sticker. I'm going to tick. Now I'm going to set the duration little slow. Now let me go to more and duplicate. Let me go push, take it a little side and decrease the size. So one more I'm going to duplicate. So let me click that file again and go to more, duplicate. I'm going to only do 3 duplicates. Now let me do another duplicate. So let me take like this. That's perfect. Let me put it in a side. So let me push this down. Now this one I'm going to take this aside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that file again, the circle file. I'm going to click on that object. So now let's go to in animation and let us go to scale up. Now you can animate it anywhere friends, either like this. Now with one we have animated. We'll go to the second circle. So let us go to in animation again. Now let us put scale up again. That is 0.5 seconds. Now I'm going to click tick the third image again. Now let's go to in animation again, scale up. You can repeat it, you can animate it in anything friends. Now I'm going to go to scale up. Scale up. Now I'm going to animate this also. Let's go to in animation again, scale up. This is our scale up. Now I'm going to tick it. Now let us start what happens. Now I'm going to start the video. Now it happens. Now what we're going to do is let's click that plus symbol. Now let's go to fun transitions, circle swipe. Now I'm going to click that one, swipe inward like this. Now let me animate, let me decrease the duration of it. Now let us start and check how it looks. professionally looking 3D intro thing. Now I'm going to add my profile to this small profile. So that we'll go to layer, click image. Now let's go to this one. Now let me decrease the size of that. Now let me go to cropping. I'm going to crop it. Wait a minute. Now let me decrease the size of it. That's fine, perfect. Now I'm going to decrease the size of this also. Perfect. Now I'm going to click upon that image, that ghost image. Now I'm going to overall animation. Sorry, not that one. In animation. So let's go to that. We can do any type of thing, friends. We can even do pop it, or you can so that now let us play our whole video. Professionally looking 3D intro to your video is ready, friends. Now it comes as displays, and now it switches the backdrop and the circles displays, and this also displays. So friends, if you want to add any intro music, you can download that or record it. Not this one. You can add this type of music also, friends, if you want. You can even add a intro music. In Chrome, you can search for that. Now we can add like this, friends. You can add music like this. So friends, our video is done. So friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please don't forget to thumbs up, and please comment in the comment section how the video is and the quality of the video. Bye friends, see you in the next video.